Hello students, this is 6.8. Let's practice from textbook page 267. Jane measures the length of 3 ropes. Rope A is half meter long, rope B is 5/8, and rope C is 3/8. What is the total length of the 3 ropes? So we know that rope A is half and rope B is 5/8 and rope C is 3/8. To find the total, you can just plus them all, but because this half is not the same denominator, you need to change this by multiplying it with 4 and 4. Remember that when you multiply the numerator, you also have to multiply the denominator. So after you both multiply this one, you can add it up like normal. Go on to number 2. Mark is making salad dressing. He mixes 3/4 liter of olive oil with 11/12 liters of vinegar. How much dressing does he make? So the olive oil is 3/4 and then the vinegar is 11/12. What is the total? You can add these two up, but we need to make the denominator the same by making this into the denominator of 12. How to do that? We multiply it with 3 because when 4 multiplied by 3, it becomes 12. And when you multiply the denominator, you also have to multiply the numerator. You multiply this by 3 and 3, you get the answer, and then you add up with this one. The next question is, if the beginning is 8 liters, how much is the leftover? So we make the bar model. He had used 3/4, so the leftover was a quarter or 1/4. That is what we have left. And how much is the one we have left? Is a quarter multiplied by the total. The total is 8 liters. Then you have the answer. Next, number 3. Celine has 10 bills in her wallet. She has 4 $1 bill and then the rest are $5 bill. What fractions are the $1 bill, and what fractions are the $5 bill? So she has $4 of the $1 bill, so that because she has 4, 1 2 3 4, so that's $4, and then the rest is $5. How many is the $5? 10 is all together, and then we have 4 in here, so 6 are in here because the total are 10. It's already told in the question. What is the fraction of the $1? You need to find the number of the $1. We have 1 2 3 4, so 4 is the numerator over the total. What is the total? The total is 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 4 over 10, or 4/10. And the fraction of 5 is the number of the $5. How many $5 do we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have 6 over, what is the total number? 4 plus 6 is 10. So 6/10. Please simplify both A and B. Next, number 4. Mrs. Jackson bought 24 pounds of flour. She used 3/8 to make bread. How much flour did she use and how much did she have left? So we make the bar model. This one is the we divide it into 8, and she used 3/8, so this one is already used for bread, and this is the leftover, and then the total is 24 pounds. She used 3/8 of 24 pounds. How do we know? It's said in the questions. She used 3/8. You multiply this and then you get the answer. And how much is left? The leftover is 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 from the total. The total is 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Multiply by 24. If you are confused on how to multiply this, look at this first. 24 can be divided by 8, right? So this is, it will become 1, and this will become 3, right? So you just multiply 3 by 3 and then you get the answer. Next question. Leanne spent a total of 36 on a textbook and a storybook. The textbook cost 4/9 of the total amount spent. How much did she spend on the storybooks? So I divide this bar model into 9 and then I give 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is for the textbook because the textbook is 4/9 and the storybook is the fraction of the storybook is 5/9. The total is 36. So how much is it? You count it. Next, number 6. Daryl bought some fish in his tank, 1/4 of which were angelfish and the rest were guppies. He bought 32 angelfish. How many fish did he buy altogether? So we divide it into 4 because 1/4 is the angelfish. The angelfish is 1/4. So if we divide this is 4 units, right? The 1 unit is 32, which is the angelfish. How many is for the 4 units? For the totals. Because he is asking how many fish did he buy altogether. So if 1 unit is 32, how many are for the 4 units? Thank you.